Welcome to RSSDI TV 2020. I am Dr. Shahu Ingule and you are watching me on RSSDI TV brought to you by Vocard. Today, I am honored to have with me an eminent personality and renowned consulting physician and endocrinologist from Mumbai, Dr. Vijay Neglu, sir. Sir is the director of Renuka Hospital for Advanced Diabetes Care. Sir is also associated with Dr. Neglu's Diabetic Specialty Center, Thane. Sir is the consulting diabetologist at Jupiter Hospital, Thane also. So, welcome to the show, sir.
Thank you.
So death is never a pleasant subject, but it's a human nature that everyone wants to know how long can I expect to live. So sir, we would like to know what do you mean by life expectancy?
Yeah, life expectancy is the average lifespan a newborn can expect to have. If the short lifespan means there is a lot of infant mortality. So it all depends upon how long the child survives the first year of life. So it is based on the infant mortality. For example, if you take the example of 1901, we had a survival time or life expectancy was about 23.5 years. And today in 2020, we have about 65.9 years. As opposed to USA, it's about 81.2 years. So therefore, we have made a progress in the extending lifespan because of various reasons by improving the sanitations, by improving the medical therapy, and so on and so forth.
So sir, we all know that the diabetes patients they remain uncontrolled over a period of time, and because of the progressive nature of the diabetes mellitus, and they also develop various microvascular and microvascular complications. So what do you feel? How long patients with diabetes expect to live?
Yes, on an average, we know that diabetes loses life expectancy by 6 years if there's no cardiovascular disease. If he or she gets a cardiovascular disease, they lose about 12 years of life. So, what's the data for this? Data we have about type 1 diabetes from places like Sweden, Australia, and Iran. And what they have said roughly in a patients of type 1 diabetes, there's a loss of life in these patients by about 13 years. That's what happens in type 1 diabetes. That's the data from these countries. If we talk about the countries, the Western countries for type 2 diabetes, we again have data from Iran, data from Sweden, and we have data from UK and Germany. All of them say the same thing that the life expectancy is lost by about 6 years in the patient with diabetes, but in Iran specifically, it was lost by about 12 years. So that's the difference between these two countries. From India, we have studies from North India and South India. In South India, it is said that we lose significant amount of time in terms of the quality adjusted life years. And this depends on the control of blood pressure, control of lipids, control of sugar, and hypertension. So all these comorbid factors also are considered in the Mohan study, which was done in Chennai. From North India, again, the studies say that we lose about 6 to 8 years if you don't have a cardiovascular disease. And if you have a cardiovascular disease, you lose more than 12 years. That's the data from India. And all these data is observational data. So you can't have a randomized trial for these kinds of studies. It's only observation and a cross-sectional studies.
So sir, what options do we have to increase the health span of a diabetes patient?
Yeah, there's a good question about health span. Now, lifespan is something which you are destined to die because of various diseases. The intervention by the healthcare specialist or healthcare providers will improve the health further, and that is what is called as a health span. It's a very good question. We have five important risk factors which contribute to the health of an individual or a health span of an individual. One is sedentary lifestyle, presence of diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and smoking. These are the five bad risk factors. Now, if you do good lifestyle modification in a diabetic patient, you have a good benefit. For example, reduce the microvascular complication by 35%, you reduce the cardiovascular events by 33%, and all-cause mortality by 26%. That is the data it says. In fact, some studies from Sweden show that if you have a good lifestyle in patients with diabetes, you can get 10 years of bonus life. Now, imagine you have a patient of 70 years, and he wants to live till year of 90. So you will study these five risk factors. If all five, which I mentioned to you, the sedentary lifestyle, diabetes, hypertension, obesity, smoking, all five are present, the chance of he getting that 90 years is less than 10%. If you have three risk factors, the chance of he getting is 20%. If there's two risk factors, Four risk factors, it is 20%, three risk factor is 30%, and four risk factor is about 40%. So that's how these patients have the increased risk which can contribute to longevity of survival. So that in short is what is my talk at the RSSDI. Thank
So,
you.
sir, what is your final key take-home message to the practicing physician and the diabetologist watching this show as far as the life expectancy of the diabetes patient is concerned?
Yes, I think the most important thing is that you control your blood sugar well, get your A1C target as early as possible. There's study will show that if you get A1C within a year of the starting of diabetes treatment, the patient can get the benefit in future. Not only controlling sugar, but also controlling the weight is important, and hypertension and lipids are also important. And the patient has a habit of smoking, that should also be curtailed. And if the patient has any other problems in terms of existing diseases, for example, existing cardiovascular disease, that should be properly treated. If all this is done, then the patient can have almost equal lifestyle as a non-diabetic patient. It's possible to get this kind of a lifestyle treatment and the medical treatment to have an extension in the life of a patient.
So, thank you so much, sir, for sharing your views and joining us on RSSDI TV brought to you by Vocard. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Dr. Shahu. It was a wonderful talking to you.